In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jungle Scout's supplier database, so you can easily find reliable suppliers for your products and scale your business efficiently. If you're new to Jungle Scout, this feature is a game changer for discovering suppliers who can help you grow your Amazon business. Stick around till the end because I'm also going to show you how to get started with Jungle Scout for free using our exclusive bonuses. So, let's dive into how to use Jungle Scout's supplier database to its full potential. First off, what is the supplier database? It's a powerful tool that allows you to access a massive network of global suppliers. You can filter suppliers based on various criteria like product category, location, shipping capabilities, and more. It's an essential resource for anyone looking to source products for Amazon FBA or any e-commerce business. Once you're logged into Jungle Scout, head to the supplier database section. From here, you can start your search by entering a product or a supplier's name. Jungle Scout then shows you a list of verified suppliers who have experience with that product. This is super valuable because unlike other platforms, Jungle Scout gives you detailed insights into each supplier's history, including their shipping times, how long they've been in business, and even reviews from other businesses. One key feature you'll want to pay attention to is the ability to filter results based on shipment volume and certifications. This helps you quickly weed out less reliable suppliers. If you're looking for a supplier with a high volume of shipments, you can filter by that metric to find the suppliers that are already scaling successfully. You can also filter by supplier certifications to ensure they meet your quality standards. Another cool feature is the ability to see detailed supplier profiles, including their top products and their geographical locations. If you're trying to find a supplier in a specific country or region, this filter will help you pinpoint exactly who you need to talk to. Once you've found a supplier you're interested in, Jungle Scout gives you access to their contact information, so you can reach out directly. You can also track their performance and compare them with other suppliers in the database, ensuring you're making the best decision for your business. If you're just starting out, Jungle Scout's supplier database can save you hours of research. By providing verified, trustworthy suppliers and letting you filter by specific needs, you can quickly find the best matches for your business. Plus, with their tracking system, you can monitor supplier performance to ensure they're meeting your standards. Now, if you're thinking of giving Jungle Scout a try, you're in luck. You can access this powerful supplier database for free through the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. The best part, you'll get an extended free trial so you can test everything out and see how it works for your business without any risk. That's all for today. Don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonuses. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. Happy sourcing with Jungle Scout's supplier database.